This is Jeff Sigler with Revitalize or Die, and this week we're talking about spring cleaning and the power that simply picking up trash can have in your neighborhood. Appearances affect us. They color the way we feel about things. They shape our opinion and how we judge things, and that goes for other people, it goes for ourselves, it goes for our home, it goes for our block and our neighborhood. And so when you see a place that is covered in trash, it absolutely forms your opinions, how you feel about that, and you make certain assumptions about those people in that place. And so one of the best things you can do is get out and pick up trash. So here we go. When we clean up our community, we send a message to people that we care, and the way community works is it requires ownership, which means we have to take care of it ourselves, and we can't expect somebody else to do everything. So we send a message that we care about our place and understand that it's up to us how it looks. We also send the message that community matters and that you can get involved too. There's a sense of pride that goes along with cleaning up your community, and it's nice to have that experience. It's a good thing to help give to other people so they can have that experience. So it makes things look nicer, and even incremental changes has a real effect on how people feel about their place. You know, it might not be $1 million renovation, but people will know. People will see that something's different, something's better, something's nicer, and they're more likely in turn to want to take care of it and maybe pick up on their own. So just the simple act of going and cleaning up your street gives you a sense of pride. It provides you with a sense of community. It's ownership. Other people see that you're cleaning up and that you care about your place. And then it transforms the way your place looks and can lead to much bigger things. So really glad that we had a chance to come out and clean today, and I hope that you go back to your community and pick up your street, pick up your block, pick up your neighborhood, but get involved and make a difference, because those little incremental steps are the very first steps on community transformation. We're Revitalize or Die. We're a small consulting firm that's here to help communities and city leaders navigate their way to revitalize their communities. If you ever need any help, don't hesitate to reach out.